is here as the conductor of today's morning digital assembly. The topic of our today's digital assembly is the National Mathematics Day. Every year, we celebrate Mathematics Day on 22nd of December to mark the birth anniversary of the great Indian genius mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan for his substantial contribution to the mathematics world. He was born in 1887 and died at the age of 32. So, to knowledge you more about this special day, here are some activities that we have prepared, like speeches, working models, thoughts, and some amazing facts related to mathematics and a special song. So don't skip the video, watch it fully. Hope you will liking.
Mathematics has always been a subject of extreme. The word mathematics gives extreme to most students. Every year, the country celebrates National Mathematics Day on December 22nd, which is the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan, an Indian mathematician born to change the future of maths. He was never formally trained in these subjects, yet he became one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. World Maths Day is celebrated to make children aware and encourage them to sharpen their arithmetic skills. The main objective behind celebrating the day is to raise awareness among people about the importance of maths for the development of humanity.
भारत में राष्ट्रीय गणित दिवस महान गणितज्ञ श्रीनिवास रामानुजन की याद में 22 दिसंबर को मनाया जाता है। बचपन से ही उन्हें गणित में रुचि थी। इनकी गिनती उन महान वैज्ञानिकों में की जाती है जिन्होंने विश्व में नए ज्ञान को पाने और खोजने की पहल की। उनके योगदान ने गणित को पूरी तरह से नया अर्थ दिया है, इसलिए उन्हें गणितज्ञ भी कहा जाता है। इन्होंने 12 साल की उम्र में त्रिकोणमिति में महारत हासिल कर ली थी और बिना किसी के सहायता के कई प्रमेय भी विकसित किए। उनका संख्याओं पर किए गए कार्य के कारण ही उन्हें संख्याओं का जादूगर माना जाता है। उनको श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए उनके जन्मदिन 22 दिसंबर को राष्ट्रीय गणित दिवस घोषित किया गया।
Ramanujan Maths Park is an Indian museum and activity center dedicated to mathematics education inside the Agastya Campus Activity Lab. The park is located in Kuppam in Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. It is named after the celebrated Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, who was from Madras state. It is a joint project of Agastya International Foundation and non-profit organization Gyanom.
Today we both are going to present a model on mathematics.
So here is our model.
Our first figure is parallelogram. The area of parallelogram is base into height and the perimeter of parallelogram is 2a plus b.
Our next figure is quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral 1/2d into h1 plus h2.
The third figure is circle. Area of circle is pi r square and circumference of circle is 2 pi r.
Good morning all of you. Myself Akshay Khurana is standing before you to explain the following identity. The identity is x plus a into x plus b. Firstly, we have to take a plane square surface as you can see in my hand. Now we will divide this plane square surface into 4 different parts. Now in first step, we will find the area of this square. The area of square is equal to side into side. So x into x equals to x square. Now we will find the area of this rectangle. The area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is a and breadth is x. So a into x equals to ax. Now in the third step, we will again find the area of the rectangle, as we have found in the step number 2. Similarly, we will find the area in step number 3 and step number 4. After taking all the areas, upright all the answers in a line. So the answer is x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Square root. The number you get when you multiply by itself is called square number. Example, 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 is a perfect square number. Now I am going to tell you about perfect square number. But tell me that 137 is a perfect square number. No. Why? Because if a number is answered 2, 3, 7 and 8 at unit place, so it must not be a perfect square number.
everyone, it's me Meenal Chabra and I am going to tell some interesting facts about maths. 0 is the only number which cannot be represented by Roman numerals. An icosagon is the shape with 20 sides. The word 100 comes from an Old Norse term, hundredth, which actually means 120 and not 100. Every odd number has an E in it. Abacus is considered as the origin of the calculator.
Good morning everyone. As today, 22nd of December, this day is celebrated as National Mathematics Day, as today is the birthday of Acharya Ramanujan. So being a maths teacher, I always use one sentence among the students, that maths is not actually a subject, it's a language of physics. So if you want to boost up your science, if you want to enhance your science, you have to do well in maths. You have to practice maths in well manner. And as a maths teacher, we have to use various tools. We have to use various examples so that students can correlate mathematics with their day-to-day life. Thank you.